Hi, my name is Brian, and welcome to kind of my test footage here, I guess you could say. I wanted to kind of show a script that I wrote that I use network UPS tools, or what we call NUT, in Linux, that I have my um, Triplite UPS 1500 VA hooked up to. It's a 900 watt UPS, and I'm able to pull statistics from it through USB to the virtual machine, which I have passed through. What I wanted to show is a shell script that I was able to write that most of my systems I monitor per wattage on their load. So like my PowerEdge systems, I monitor via watts. So I wanted an easy way to do that with NUT. So what I did is wrote a shell script. So if we look at our UPSC UPS output, you can see that we have a couple different values that we're going to go off of. For some reason, it actually pulls in here power nominal, which normally that's what we go off on our wattage, but the UPS is not 1500 watt UPS, it's actually 900. So what I'm going to show is that we can take the load percentage on here, where I can find it, and then right here, UPS load, and then we calculate that against the wattage to calculate how much watts it's using. So the script I've used is, I wrote a script called load.sh, and what it does is it goes ahead and it connects right to UPS. We are able to then pull in, let's see here, yeah, so we're able to pull out our load, right, our percentage. So we, as I showed earlier, we have our UPS load field. We're able to cut that, right, and get our wattage, or get our load. So say, 80% or whatnot. We get our power nominal. Remember I said that this UPS for some reason returns 1500, even though it really needs to be 900. So then from that, we are able to calculate out our load percentage, right? And then we're able to output the percentage and total watts in use. So if we look at it, we can see we can quickly tell our load currently on the UPS and the load in wattage. I currently have running on the system R720. I have a R730XD running, Cisco 10 gig switch. I have a laptop that holds vCenter and other VMs like this one right here, and of course all my normal network equipment for my internet. So I normally shut down my R730XD to bring us down to about 500 watts, but in this case, for testing, I'm running both my servers. So you need to definitely, in a lab environment, monitor your power usage, because power usage equals dollars, of course. So I end up making sure to keep a good eye on this. Anyways, just want to show this script, and hopefully you find this useful. Thank you.